Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to change background in Zoom meeting. First, you need to start a meeting. As you can see, I have started a meeting. In meeting, you have to go to your video bar. There you have to choose at that arrow. After choosing that arrow, you have to click on adjust background effects. After clicking on that, you will see the virtual backgrounds. In virtual backgrounds, you can add like the filters like blur, sentence, and whatever you want to add. You can also add things from here like video filters. That's up to you what you want to use. I hope that this video has helped you. And if it has helped you, then please like and share this video. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.